Have a look for the specimen. This is the duodenum, first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Now look in this C-shaped concavity of the duodenum, you find the head of the pancreas, and when you are looking for the head of the pancreas, have a look for the uncinate process over here. Superior mesenteric vessels pass anterior to this uncinate process, and in previous specimen I have shown you that the head of the pancreas is grooved by the common bile duct. Now come for the neck of, this is the portion is known as the neck of the pancreas. Behind the neck of the pancreas there is formation of portal vein. Now look for the body of the pancreas. It is showing you the superior border, inferior border, anterior border, and it has anterior superior, anterior inferior and posterior surface. Now concentrate on the superior border of the pancreas. It is showing you the conical projection. This is known as tuber omental. Above the tuber omental you find the blood vessel. This is the artery of the foregut known as the celiac trunk. On the right side you are able to identify this blood vessel. This blood vessel which is cut end, this is the hepatic artery. On the left side the branch you are able to see and which is fairly tortuous artery, this is the splenic artery. Then come for the tail of the pancreas. Tail of the pancreas is present between two layers of the lienorenal ligament and related with the hilum of the spleen.